Today is the first death anniversary of Arun Jaitley, who held the portfolios of Defence, Finance and Corporate Affairs and Information and Broadcasting as part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet. He was one of Bharatiya Janata Party's tallest figures and a key architect of its campaign strategy across elections. He fiercely attacked the UPA government on the corruption allegations and policy paralysis.
A noted legal luminary, an affable and highly skilled politician, the late Arun Jaitley is a name in Indian politics who started his career as a student leader from Delhi University. The journey from a student leader to a defense minister and a finance minister effectively tells the story of his personality. Arun Jaitley, who held portfolios of defense, finance and corporate affairs and information and broadcasting as a part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's cabinet, was an astute politician who will always be remembered as a troubleshooter and one who could win over everyone, even across party lines. Late Arun Jaitley also handled many ministries, including the Law Ministry in the Atal Bihari Vajpayee government. Arun Jaitley's brilliant innings as the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha comes to mind often. He not only raised a voice in parliament against UPA government on the 2G and coal scam, but also played an effective role in spurring the movement against corruption across the country. Arun Jaitley, who was a senior advocate in the Supreme Court, was a skilled orator who, by his eloquence, made a mark as a leader of the opposition. Arun Jaitley was a politician whose relationship with leaders of all parties was unique. The late Arun Jaitley, who had an equally good command over Hindi and English, will always be remembered for implementing GST and incorporating the railway budget into the general budget. Arun Jaitley also played a crucial organizational role in Bharatiya Janata Party. He played a key role as the national spokesperson of the party as the organization in charge of several states. Arun Jaitley was a long-serving member of the parliamentary board and the Central Election Committee of the Bharatiya Janata Party. His success as the BJP in charge during Bihar Assembly election in 2005 is now a prominent part of party lore. Arun Jaitley, who did not join the cabinet due to health reasons in 2019 in PM Modi's second term, bid goodbye to the world on 24th August at the age of 66. We pay our tributes to him on his first death anniversary. With inputs from Rajesh Raj, Bureau Report, DD India.
Home Minister Amit Shah paid tributes to Arun Jaitley. The Home Minister in a tweet said, and I quote, "Remembering Arun Jaitley ji, an outstanding politician, prolific orator and a great human being who had no parallels in Indian polity. He was multifaceted and a friend of friends who will always be remembered for his towering legacy, transformative vision and devotion to the nation."